Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Xfinity Wi-Fi on PS5. First, turn on your PS5 and navigate to the home screen. Then, go to the settings menu, the gear icon at the top right corner. Next, scroll and select network, then choose settings again. Select set up internet connection. Under which network do you want to use, select use Wi-Fi. The PS5 will scan for available networks. Select your specific Xfinity home network name as its ID from the list. It usually appears as your network name, not the public Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot. After that, enter your Xfinity Wi-Fi password when prompted. Password is case sensitive and can typically be found on a sticker on your Xfinity router or within the Xfinity app. Then select OK to continue. And finally, once connected, you can select the test internet connection option to ensure everything is working correctly. Some alternative connection methods and tips. Wire connection is recommended. For optimal performance and low latency, consider connecting your PS5 directly to your Xfinity router using an Ethernet cable plugged into the LAN port on the back of your console. Connecting to public Xfinity hotspots. If you are trying to connect to a public Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot, the process requires an extra step. After connecting to the network in the settings, you may need to open the PS5's built-in web browser and sign in using your Xfinity account credentials to authenticate the connection. If you're experiencing issues, try restarting your Xfinity router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Ensure your PS5 system firmware is updated to the latest version. In some cases, manually setting a static IP or adjusting DNS settings can help with stability issues, but this is usually not required for basic setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.